Tens of thousands of people fly between Canada and China each year. There's every reason to believe one or more cases of the novel coronavirus will show up here. The message from health officials is be aware, but don't panic. A vast global network of monitoring, testing, and information sharing is so much quicker and more thorough today. Just the bank of technology in use at this Toronto hospital is far more advanced compared with when SARS swept in 17 years ago.
If there's any country in the world that's as prepared as it's going to be, it's this one.
In 2003, doctors at first didn't know SARS was a coronavirus and didn't have a test for it till halfway through the outbreak in Toronto. Today, a yes or no coronavirus test can come back in 24 hours. And at the National Laboratory in Winnipeg, a world leader in infectious diseases like Ebola, they're working to reduce that 24-hour period.
We're also now working with NML, the National Microbiology Laboratory, on an even quicker test. Because in situations like this, speed and certainty are both very important.
Dr. David Williams was in Toronto for H1N1 and SARS. Today, Ontario's Chief Medical Officer of Health says there is immediate cooperation internationally from province to province and hospital to hospital. It means even if a case of coronavirus appears, there's no need for alarm.
It's a matter of where and when, but that's part of a robust surveillance system and a team and a group that's ready to respond to that. So I am glad to say the machinery is in place, it's working. Light years ahead what we faced back in 2003.
The usual advice in flu season still applies. Get vaccinated, wash up, avoid sick people, and stay home if you're sick. Meantime, there will be screening questions at Canadian airports about previous travel to Wuhan, China. If the new coronavirus does come and begin spreading in Canada, then there may be updated advice to avoid public gatherings and such. But for now,
We're nowhere near there yet. Today, it's business as usual.
Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.